Hi, I am Jerome Ronday. I am 34 years old. This is my second year in this mission. The first year, I spent my time in Pinagbayanan, and my second year, I spent my time here in Nagbaliti. Before coming in this mission, there were a lot of negative thinkings that went through my minds, such as I said to myself that it was impossible for me to be a missionary because I am not a graduate of a teacher course, but rather I am a graduate of a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Because of that, I felt that I was not ready to be a missionary and to lead my fellow Katutubo. So I prayed to God and prayed, and then God gave me an answer. I discovered a story that one of the preachers shared before, and I applied it in my life. The preacher said that in God's field, it needs workers. So I said to myself that I can be that worker to work in God's field. So I decided to join in this family, and I really enjoyed it. Being a missionary is a blessing for me because through this experience, I was developed and I learned how God is working. Because there are times that I can say that we are down, discouraged, and stressed. But in this mission, I felt the being no one is an island. Once I entered in this mission, I felt that I belong in this group, and no one is alone. Everybody is praying for you, and I can see that God is always beside me. Through the struggles, He never forsake me, but rather He built me to be an effective leader among these Katutubo, especially among the students. I can say that I'm learning a lot through these experiences, being with the students every day. And not only that, I'm also learning a lot of lessons on how to deal with it. Being a missionary, it helped me a lot. It developed my personal relationship with God. It helped me physically. I learned to appreciate the work of my students, and most of all, I learned to be patient. Before entering in this mission, I found that there were puzzles missing. But because of this mission, I found myself where I stand in my faith and belief.